Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this short video we will cover another method that I wanted to discuss related to the substring, the replace method. This will be an addendum to the previous lecture, so it will add to the substring functionality. Now we have a function known as replace for the string class, and as you can see we will focus on this one. We will ignore the rest, at least until we cover the regular expressions or rejects. Then we can tackle replace all or replace first later, inshallah, bi'idhnillah, and God willing. The first argument is the old char or the old character, the one that is currently in the name, and the new character, the one that you wish to replace the old character with. So just to demonstrate here, I will not use this just to avoid any disrespect. So here I am using my name instead. What I will do is I want to replace this M with an N. So what I will do is I will type in M and the compiler will search the entirety of the string simply to see if there is a capital M or not. And once it does find it, see target and replacement, once it does locate it, it will replace it with an N. But because since this method has a return value, we cannot display the return value in such a manner, so we will place it in a printing statement like so. Now this should spell like so. Oh, I forgot to write it as a comment. There. This should be the output. Let us run it and see. And there you go. So this was the replacement method. And that is it for today. I hope this video was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.